just bought this place, and we know we had a major renovation to do. And we went to the trade show, and we got the directory of a huge number of contractors in the Vancouver area. And the thing that I guess tipped the scale was the Monday morning, we got a call from your office saying, did we have any questions, do we have any follow-up concerns or anything, and I think we met you the next day. The end project turned out exactly as we had envisioned it, and I have to give you guys kudos that you lived up to what you said you were going to do. You hit the price that you promised at the beginning. There were some additional costs which we discussed as we were going, and I think you showed a good degree of flexibility in dealing with the unexpected costs. The design process was the fun part, you know, playing with all the different ideas and going wild with our underfloor stream and these waterfalls. And our designer was superb. I mean, Stephen was excellent. I mean, the ideas he came with, the creativity was superb. Nellie was great in helping us choose materials. It's her eye that created the palette here. It did exceed our expectations. I mean, it came out exactly as we had hoped it would. So the end result, I can't fault it. The end result is perfect.